Hi and welcome to the tutorial on the Twisted Chocolatine. This is exactly a replica of the one I made for the Coupe de Monde de la Chocolatine championships that were held in Toulouse last year in May. Sadly not this year because of COVID. So I have cut my chocolatine pieces and I have them all ready. So the length is 15 and the width is 8. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this pastry wheel. See this pastry wheel? I'm just going to mark equally into 5 each one. So I'm literally just pushing down on the pastry. The 3 central ones I'm going to twist, and the one on the outside I'm going to leave as it is, just so you get that little chocolate ring on the outside, which is quite pleasant. It's nice eye appeal. So they are a little bit tedious to make, but unless it's a bit of trouble, they're not worth making. So I'm going to just move these apart because it's easier to cut and to twist them. So I'm just going to give myself a little bit of space. Now I did pre-chill the dough slightly before I cut it. I gave it 10 minutes flat after I rolled it out. And what that does is it just keeps your pastry manageable and workable. It's nice and rectangular, as you can see, and it isn't losing shape. So with my knife I'm going to go up here to about just 2 centimeters from the end. I'm going to chop, 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 chop. So you can see I have 5 pieces, so I'm going to put these guys out to one side. And then these guys I'm going to lift and twist. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm not using a lot of force. It's just to give it a nice shape. And I'm just putting it back down. Spray it with a little bit of water to help it stick. These are the chocolate strawberry bars that I made. They're homemade. I just piped the melted chocolate and freeze-dried strawberry pieces into these ice stick molds that I bought on Amazon. And the result is very nice. It's a homemade chocolate bar. You only need to use one. So I'm going to just put that there. I'm going to fold this over. Actually, maybe I'll just try it from this angle. It might look easier. Here, I'm going to fold this over to here. This is all nice and wet, moist from the spray. And I'm just going to down pressure and roll. Okay. So I'll do another. 2 centimeters. From the end. Get a homemade chocolate bar there. Just going to lift and twist. 1, 2, 3. Put it down. Lift and twist. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just line them up. Bring in the sides. Pull this back. Fold over. And then just roll towards myself. last one, because I don't want to really have to repeat this. I don't want everybody getting bored. So I start here. And again. Again. As you can see, it's a very pretty shape. I'll put them into these molds. So they're a square mold. And what that does is it prevents the end. See here? Normally when they proof, this guy will fall over, flop over. So you've got a vertical support there on either side. So it doesn't roll over when you put it into the tin. Thanks for watching.